I think you're in 5.
Signature.
No.
Huh?
No here.
No? No, I'm saying it's not for you. It's for Ricky Tan. That's what I'm saying. I think.
No.
Oh! Hey, baby!
I need to take a signature. That's what I'm saying. Signature.
No here.
Yo! What's poppin', G gang? We are back with another banger reaction video. Shout out to my people, man. Listen, tonight we are going live on Twitch, 6 p.m. West Coast time. That's 9 o'clock for my East Coast people. Come tap in, come have fun with us. You know what I'm saying? We're on there for like 2 or 3 hours. Come tap in. Also, we dropped our first vlog in 5 months. You haven't tapped into the Fuush Vloggery channel, I will link that down below. Head over to the Fuush Vloggery channel. Go show that channel some love. Watch the vlog. I feel like it's a really good one. You guys get to see what I do behind the scenes when I'm hanging out with my family, when I'm, you know what I'm saying, buying cars, when I'm driving my cars, when I'm hooking my cars up, when I'm going to the gym, just when I'm living life. You guys get to see that, me on the outside of YouTube type, okay? Make sure you go do that, and make sure you hit the website, gelavibes.com. We just dropped some sundresses. And we dropped some t-shirt dresses, you know what I'm saying? Which will really be like go to sleep t-shirts. And so make sure you go tap into that. Have fun. But yeah, we're about to tap to a video, man, I got sent. Inspecting a shady massage parlor. You know who this is. Boku Black. He went from inspecting restaurants to inspecting massage parlors. And you know some of these massage parlors be having happy endings. That's all I'm saying. I don't know what he's going in here for, what he's inspecting. He might find semen. Hello. With that being said, man, I got to check on my people's meat briefs. We're going to get straight into it. Get down in the comment section. Let me know 1 through 10 how you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually. It's almost Sunday. Make sure your meat briefs are up. I'm going to come find you if your meat briefs is under 5, okay? It's your boy Fuush. Let's go ahead and tap into the video right now. Walking in?
Signature. I'm trying to figure out. Is he back here?
Here.
No. It's not for you. It's for Ricky Tan. I'm trying to figure out. He told me he was back.
Ricky Tan.
No.
No, I just need signature.
Ricky Tan.
Yeah, I just need signature.
I think you're in 5.
Signature.
No.
Huh?
No here.
No, I'm saying it's not for you. It's for Ricky Tan. That's what I'm saying. I think.
No.
Oh! Hey, baby!
I need to take a signature. That's what I'm saying.
No here.
He not here?
No, yeah!
No here.
So
You see
no
the
here.
number outside the number.
I'm
No,
saying-
go to the room,
I'm
okay?
saying, so you don't know Ricky Tan? He told me to come here. He said he was here at your.
No,
this
you
establishment.
wrong. It's wrong. Go outside.
Okay. Maybe I got the wrong one. I'm sorry. If I got the wrong one, I'm
It's
sorry.
okay.
Yeah, he told me this was the right one though.
Outside the room.
Hey.
Okay. But y'all know.
Whoa, baby. Baby, what is going on in that room? She must have grabbed that motherfucker boy like Jackie Chan grabbed Chris Tucker type. No! Baby, what is going on? Oh, so we do got happy endings going on inside that massage parlor. Baby, what? Don't get no ideas, but yeah, she was serious about that. Okay, so we exposing the massage parlories.
Oh, yeah, y'all sure y'all don't know him, right?
No here.
No here.
All right, thank you.
No
I'm sorry.
here.
No, I'm sorry for that. I'm sorry.
Look like she just came out of there.
I'm
Uh-huh.
How you doing? How you doing?
Huh?
This is one zero.
No, he said he was back here. So.
No back. No. This.
No, he said he was back here. That's what I'm saying.
No.
What?
Bro, walk into a room.
Is he not back
Ooh.
here?
No.
He's not back here. Nobody's here.
No.
Oh, damn. My bad. He told me to come here.
No.
He said he
You don't got
was
nothing on that damn phone. It's just a
No,
department.
it's not on here. I'm just trying to figure out because they called me with this one.
No, here.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Sorry.
She sound. Bro, what are you doing right now? Like, how many motherfucking parlors is in your area? I mean, it is Atlanta. Bro, just walking back there.
How you doing? I just need signature. I just need signature for Rox.
Come here.
Come here. No, I'm going here.
No, it's
Open the door, bro.
No, I'm saying it's not for you. It's for whoever.
Oh, damn it.
Oh, they're not in here. Oh. My bad.
So
I'm trying to figure out where he is. They told me to come here.
come here. Let you come here.
Is he in the back at all? Is he not in
Sir,
the
that
back?
one empty, man. You got to go to the next one, brother.
Oh, I guess they're not here. I'm trying to figure out where he is because he told me to come here. He said he was in the back.
What's name?
I don't know.
There
Johnny Black.
has her name, right?
No, they didn't even give me a name on this one. No?
So are you sure this store?
What address is this?
4186.
It said 4186, and this is what road is this? I think that's my mistake. I'm sorry. I think that's my mistake. I'm sorry.
She's like,
I don't know why
yeah.
you tell me. My bad. I'm sorry.
I'm trying to see you got something in the actory, sir. I wish somebody get their ick on the pickery. Tickery type. I'm trying to see it. Oh, she bust that motherfucker.
Kiki.
Got to sign Bob. I just need signature. Ricky Tam.
Open 7. Open 7, brother. Lucky number.
Oh no, he said he was back here. I'm sorry. I'm trying to figure out.
Kiki， 这是你的快递吗？
Hello. Please, I just need a signature. Oh, nobody's here. It's empty.
Not the first one is the
No,
one
it's
you need
okay.
to get in,
Nobody's
sir.
here, and that's okay because he said he was here, but I guess I went to the wrong one. I went to the wrong one.
Wait，
Translate.
前提应该是
I think I went to the wrong one.
Oh yeah.
I think I was the wrong one. Sorry.
Shout out to Google Translate, baby. I need you to go back to the other one, sir. Some shit was going down there. Guaranteed. She yanked your motherfucking arm out the socket. Oh boy, we had Susie Q's. They got cameras and all types. Oh, they ain't even gonna let you back there without. Ooh, I know y'all got some shit going on, baby. You can't even get back there unless you ring the doorbell. Police can't just come.
They said you taking that charge.
Damn.
That's right.
Oh, how you doing? I got a box for Ricky Tam.
Huh?
I just need signature. I just need signature.
What is your name?
Huh?
What is your name?
Ricky Tam. He said he here. He said he here getting a massage. Yeah, I'm on. I got a tight schedule.
Here no.
Huh?
Here no.
Oh, he not here?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. What kind of name?
Ricky Tan.
Huh?
Ricky Tan.
Walking Tan?
Ricky.
Weekend?
Yeah. He not back there?
Wait a minute, okay? Wait a minute, okay? 1 minute, okay?
1 minute,
Okay,
okay.
if it's not here, that's fine. If I'm at the wrong place, just let me know.
Q Spa?
Q Spa?
Yeah.
What's the address?
Address? Hold on.
Okay.
No.
No?
I'm sorry.
Okay, thank you.
How much massage? No massage? I want one though.
This motherfucker boy in Atlanta going crazy. Okay? They are figuring out the way to get paid. They are figuring out a way to get some content. I ain't mad at them because we all know some shady shit be going down in the massage parlors. They don't just be getting massages, okay? When motherfucker laying on your backery and your dickery stand upery, how much for massagery? That's it. Oh, we don't do it, y'all. $50. Okay, bye. Oh man, shout out to Boku Blackery, man. I'm gonna leave his link to his channel first pin comment. Man, come on, man. Shout out to my people that see me. Y'all over there watch Boku Black now because you sent it to me. Okay, shout out to you. He went from when I started doing his channel. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not saying it's me. Okay, I'm not saying it's me, but it could be. Okay, when we started doing his channel, he had like 22,000, 23,000, some shit like that. I don't know. He's at like 24 or 25,000. Some boys going up. When I started doing Mr. Penn's channel, he had like 199,000 subscribers. Then his shit went up. He's at like 225 now or 220. I'm just saying, man. It's time for me to go up a room on them, okay? It's time for me to hit that 100K. So we on that. We on our grind. Shout out to my people. Keep sending me the videos. We're going to keep knocking them down. We're going to keep on having fun. Most importantly, we're going to keep on laughing because too much stress out in that world and we don't want to be no part of it. If we can come down here and de-stress, it on Twitchery, YouTube Live, and the videos, and the vloggeries, man, tap in. Shout out to all the new subscribers. I see y'all in the comment section going crazy. Welcome to the family. It's all love over here. It's all laughter. We going to get you right, baby. I promise you. You know what I'm saying? If you come in here, you ain't laughing in a while, I promise you're going to laugh. I promise you. I double dare you to laugh. Double dare you not to laugh. That ain't gonna happen. So, boy, Fuush Gang, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Coming in 2 and 2. You heard me? Oh, sorry for the interruption, but I gotta let my people know about the hottest new t-shirts we just dropped on the website. Starting with this one, okay? Anybody come up to you and ask you or say, you know what, I heard such and such about you. Tell them, put a condom in your ear and fuck what you heard. Come talk to me. Ask me, did I say that? Come to the source. You feel me? You hit them with this shirt right here. Universal saying. It goes with everything. Fuck what you heard. Come talk to me personally, okay? This is one of the best sellers. We already sold out in 3 different sizes. 5X, 4X, and extra small. So make sure you tap into that one. I'm gonna show you guys another one real quick. I love me some me. You got to love you some me, right? It's 2026. You have to love you some you because there's too many people out here playing with you, right? There's too many people out here playing with your love, playing with the person that you are. You know what I'm saying? Taking advantage of your love and the good person and good-hearted person you are. You got to love you. And I love me some me, okay? Those are only 2 of the shirts, but make sure you tap into the website. It's going to be in the first pinned comment. Now, back to the video.